OEMs are increasingly looking towards dynamic illustrations to deliver more effective technical information. Creo Illustrate combines robust 3D illustration capabilities with associative CAD data to deliver task-based, graphical content that makes operating, servicing, and assembling products easier and more efficient. With this software, you can create rich 3D technical illustrations, sequences, and animations that accurately reflect current product configurations and support formats from hard copy to augmented reality, or AR. By repurposing existing 3D CAD data and maintaining an associative link to original CAD files, this software allows for quick updates that reflect product and part changes, ensuring that graphical product information and parts lists are always accurate. Creo Illustrate can also restructure CAD engineering bills of materials to create service bills of materials or manufacturing bills of materials to meet a variety of technical content requirements. Creo Illustrate clearly conveys complex information by visually demonstrating procedures on wearable or handheld devices, greatly reducing comprehension errors and translation costs by replacing text with illustrated step-by-step procedures, 3D animations, illustrated parts lists, and other graphical representations. The software handles disparate CAD formats as a standalone tool and can be fully integrated with ThingWorx, Windchill, and Arbortext products to deliver up-to-date product-specific information. Creo Illustrate has several deployment options that are tailored to scale to your technical illustration requirements as well as your budget.